Let's hear it for our man in charge, the one, the only, Mr. Daniel Farker! And of course, a huge thank you to each and every single member of the coaching staff here at Owen Road as well. Without them, results just would not be possible. Thank you so much indeed.